Join me today as we build the Harkonnen Ornithopter by Meng from Dune. See you guys inside. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be taking on the Harkonnen Ornithopter. This is the small kit, not the newest 170 kit. This one is a 2023. What scale is this? I forget what scale. I know it's teeny because honestly we only have 4 steps to build it, and that's all we're going to do today is build it. If you guys want to see me paint it, well, you need to get down in the comments down below and give those thumbs up, and I will give this thing a paint job on video. Otherwise, I'm just going to paint it in my personal library. But all in all, the Ornithopters in the new Dune movie were really cool, and I thought this was a really cool model. I do have the larger one, and I do have the small sand crawler as well. So if you guys want to see me build more of these Dune models, that's up to you and in the descriptions down below. But let's get this little kit out and let's start taking a look at it, and then we'll go into the build. So all in all, not a lot of parts. So I haven't even opened it yet, as you guys can tell. If you guys are interested and enjoy this kind of content, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, especially if you want to see more of these done. So just kind of opening it up, we've got a few sprues. We've definitely got decals. I don't see any clear parts. A lot of the blades because I think this has like 8 wing blades on it, 6 at least. So definitely kind of fun thing to take a look at. We've got a lot of variations in the plastic, but all in all, looks like a very simple set. And for my kit, this piece did come off. I'll clean it up, make sure it looks good. But I want to adjust some of the lighting here real quick, get us some bright lights. And if you guys are interested in the lighting and want to see a video on that, definitely let me know that too. But we're going to hop into a time lapse and we're going to build this guy up and take a look at the final product and kind of talk about how was it easy, was it hard to build, was it fun to build, and kind of go from there. Because like I said, I do have the larger version of this to build as well, and kind of looking forward to that. And for today's video, the main tools that we're going to need is a pair of snips, and a lot of people use an X-Acto knife. I just like using a mold line remover. I can be klutzy and cut my hands, but you know, that's just me. I do use X-Acto knives in this. Sometimes you guys will see that, but most of all, especially for a snap together kit like this, a mold line remover will do the job exactly you want to do. So without further ado, let's get this model built. All right, guys, that's the build. Very simple, very quick, snap together little kit. Lots of good detail on there. Of course, I'm not decaling because I do plan to paint this for my own collection, as part of my collection. But if you guys want to see that paint job, make sure to comment that down below, because, well, honestly, they gave great amount of decals for the windows and stuff. But again, I got some paint work I want to do to it before I add it to my collection. And I'm using this one. Granted, this is a Harkonnen, and my other one is the other Ornithopter. But there's a lot of cool paint job and honestly diorama build I could do with this. And I want to really kind of explore that before I finalize this and work on this. So I chose the flying mode, not the landed mode. So what you do is for flying mode, you go to step 2. For landed mode, you go to step 4 instead of step 2. So you have the option to switch between the two, and that lets you choose what you're doing. But all in all, guys, it's a cute little model, and I am going to go with my next step. So I'm going to prime this and wait a week or two to see if anybody comments they want to see a paint job done on it. And if no one does, then I'll just paint it myself and put it on my shelf. But guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the model. This model can be found on Amazon. I put some links down in the description down below for it. And I'll also put a link for the larger version of this model as well. I looked around, I can't seem to see the scale of this one for some reason. But the other one is a much larger scale, definitely kind of something to keep in mind when you're doing these kits. But all in all, simple little kit for the Harkonnen Ornithopter. If you've not watched Doom, go check it out. Good movie. I enjoyed it. Now, granted, I grew up with the 1984 version of Doom, so this one was kind of a refreshing, different retake of that movie, especially now that the 2 parts are available. So definitely kind of a fun one to take a look at. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and leave that comment down below if you want to see this one taken to the next level. Thanks, guys, and see you next time.